Welcome to the best picks. The best friendship bracelet kit is probably one of the most fun and easy ways to create personalized gifts or keepsakes for your friends and family, and in this video, we'll dive into what makes a great kit, exploring factors like the quality of the threads, the variety of colors and patterns, the inclusion of helpful tools and instructions, and of course, the overall value for your money, so you can make the best decision for your next crafting project. Number 5. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Kit. It includes 5,520 clay beads in 24 colors, 550 charms, elastic strings, and even scissors. You'll have all the materials you need to start creating right away. With 24 bright colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match to create unique bracelets, necklaces, or earrings. These beads are made of durable polymer clay, are lightweight, and won't fade easily. They're perfect for everyday wear. Use them to make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, or even keychains. Let your creativity shine. It's a fun and meaningful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to bring a smile to any creative face. We carefully check each set of beads to ensure they're perfect. Enjoy crafting with confidence. What we like? It has everything you need to start creating bracelets immediately, including beads in 24 vibrant colors and over 5,500 beads. If you're looking for a complete and colorful kit to get started with bracelet making, this is the one for you. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, offering endless possibilities for creative expression. What people say. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. Durable polymer clay beads that are lightweight and easy to handle. Number 4. Gionlion Clay Beads Bracelet Kit. It has 24 classic colors of polymer clay beads, perfect for creating themed bracelets. Mix and match to make Halloween, St. Patrick's Day, or any style you like. This kit is packed with beads, spacers, letter beads, charms, and more. You'll have everything you need to make unique bracelets. These high-quality, durable clay beads are safe for kids and easy to use. They're lightweight, waterproof, and comfortable to wear. The beads and accessories come in 2 portable boxes, keeping everything neat and tidy. It's easy to transport and store. Make bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and more. This kit will inspire your creativity and provide hours of fun. It's a great gift for girls aged 6 and up. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. We carefully check the quality of each bead to ensure you receive a perfect kit. It's recommended for kids aged 6 and up. What we like? This kit comes in 2 separate boxes for easy organization and storage. It includes a wide variety of charms and beads beyond the basics. If you value organization and appreciate extra accessories to customize your creations, you'll love this kit's thoughtful design. It's perfect for those who like to keep their crafting space tidy and want lots of options. What people say. The Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit is a comprehensive set featuring 24 colors of flat polymer clay beads, charms, and accessories for crafting friendship bracelets and jewelry. Designed for ages 6 to 12, the kit encourages creativity and fine motor skill development. Wide variety of 24 vibrant colors to suit any design preference. Includes charms, spacers, and strings for diverse bracelet and jewelry creations. This little set is really great. It was such a great price for this set, and it's got everything you need to get started and make cute stuff. I also really appreciated the way it was packaged. What they did these is have them packed tight this layer of a light foam sheet to make sure each section when closed is closed off tightly and will not and cannot mix. I also like how the box it comes has several buckles to open or close. 2 in the front, 1 on each side. Def makes it more secure and ensures that again there's no space that's not level and will allow for mixing. I think the color selection is good too. You have several variations of basically each color, and I think this would work really well for most BPL, especially someone just starting out. This is a great kit. Beads are high quality. The string is super nice and stretchy. So many colors and charms to add to bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Number 3. Friendship Bracelet Maker. It's the perfect kit for making unique bracelets. Everything you need is included, so let's get started. This kit has everything you need to make up to 8 bracelets. No extra supplies are required, it's all here. It's made with high-grade, non-toxic plastic and includes 20 pre-cut cotton threads in 10 vibrant colors. It was designed by an automotive engineer for his granddaughters, ensuring a clever and durable design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, it simplifies the bracelet making process. It's easy and fun for everyone. Making bracelets is a wonderful way for young people to connect and share with each other. It fosters friendship and creativity. Give the gift of creativity this year. Kids aged 8 to 12 will love making and sharing these handmade bracelets with friends and family. What we like? It simplifies the bracelet making process with its patented design and pre-cut threads. You can make up to 8 bracelets without any extra tools or complicated steps. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make friendship bracelets, or if you have limited time, this kit is your best choice. It's perfect for beginners and those who want a hassle-free crafting experience. What people say. It helps keep the string in place while you twist and tie to make your bracelets much neater and faster. It also has a 10-slot drawer to keep your spare string on hand nearby in its proper order. It comes with pre-cut thread and everything you need to get started. If for any reason we cannot finish a bracelet, this makes it so easy to put safely away so you can start right where you stopped whenever you're ready to work on it again. This bracelet maker helps you keep track of your threads and save your work for later. It is small enough to fit in a nightstand drawer or a backpack. The instructions may have been a bit lacking on how to finish up the bracelet. I am giving 5 stars because the bracelet board is great. Number 2. Redtwo Friendship Bracelet Kit. It's the perfect kit to make friendship bracelets, just like at the Eras Tour. This set has everything you need to create unique bracelets with your friends. With thousands of colorful beads, letter beads, and charms, plus string, scissors, and tweezers, you have all the materials to start crafting right away. It's made with high-quality, safe polymer clay beads. The easy-to-follow instructions make it perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Make bracelets, earrings, rings, anklets. The possibilities are endless. This kit is a great way to express your imagination and create personalized gifts. It's a fun and meaningful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Kids and adults will love this creative and engaging activity. Whether you're crafting solo or with friends, this kit provides hours of creative fun. It's a great way to bond and make lasting memories. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing Redtwo. What we like? This kit boasts a massive number of beads and letter beads, perfect for spelling out names or messages. It also includes a wide array of charms to personalize your bracelets. If you want to create highly customized and detailed bracelets, this kit provides the extensive materials you need. It's perfect for those who love to personalize their crafts and have a large project in mind. What people say. The colors of the plastic beads, clay ring shape, are rich and the gold tone beads are so pretty, gold rings, squares, and stars. There are multicolored, black and white, and gold letter beads. I made a dozen bracelets so far and every bead went on the elastic easily. Holes in them are good. This jewelry making kit is like opening up a treasure box. It has so many different colors, beads, charms, etc. for a child or teen to keep them busy for a long time. Tons of colors and lots of each color. There are patterns too. The organizers are awesome for keeping everything orderly. Number 1. Dowsabel Clay Beads Kit. It's the perfect gift to spark your child's imagination. This kit provides hours of fun and helps develop essential skills. With 24 vibrant colors and 7,500 beads, you can create countless unique bracelets and necklaces. Let your creativity shine. These polymer clay beads are smooth, durable, and safe for kids. They're perfect for crafting beautiful jewelry. It's more than just a craft kit, it's a chance to bond, create, and share. Give the gift of creativity and fun. This kit is designed for children aged 4 and up, making it a great activity for kids of all ages. It's perfect for parties, family time, or quiet afternoons. Making bracelets helps improve hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and focus. It's a fun and educational activity all in one. What we like. With 7,500 beads in 24 colors, this kit offers exceptional value and variety. It makes a thoughtful and fun gift for creative kids. If you're looking for a generous and colorful kit that's perfect for gifting or for a large project, this one is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a wide range of colors and a large quantity of beads. What people say. This kit comes with a whopping 5,000 pieces of preppy polymer clay beads along with an assortment of charming accessories that make jewelry making not just easy but incredibly fun. The colorful beads come in different shapes and sizes, allowing for endless creativity. The quality of the clay beads is impressive. They are durable yet lightweight, which is perfect for kids. Unlike some other kits we've tried in the past, these beads don't break easily. With 72 vibrant colors and 4 separate boxes for easy organization, this kit offers an impressive variety of beads, giving you endless possibilities for creating beautiful and unique bracelets. The beads are made of high-quality clay, which is lightweight, durable, and perfect for stringing. The kit also includes essential accessories like elastic cords and clasps, so you can start crafting right away without needing to buy additional supplies. The generous quantity of beads, 15,000 total, means you'll have plenty to work with. The kit includes a wide variety of vibrant beads in different shapes and sizes, which kept my little ones engaged for hours. The beads are made from durable materials, ensuring they withstand rough handling without breaking or fading. The kit also comes with easy-to-follow instructions and several design ideas, making it perfect for kids of all skill levels. My children loved experimenting with their own creations, and the included elastic string was sturdy and easy to work with. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.